Hi. Okay, this is the beginning of the lecture. This is the first lesson into learning of Igbo language. It has to start with the alphabet first, which in Igbo is regarded as Abidi. Asụsụ Igbo simply means Igbo language. So now let's start. The Abidi is the alphabet, which is the beginning of every language. Before you will be able to understand any alphabet, any language, you must have first, most of the languages, you must have first get to learn and understand the alphabet so that you will be able to put the letters together to make sense, to make a word. So let's start first with the alphabet. We are going to go through it together. Now let's go. Abidi, we have A, B, Chi, De, E, Fe, Ge, Be, Re, Gwe, He, I, E, Je, Ke, Be, Kwe, Le, Me, Ne, Nye, Nwe, Nye, O, Pe, Re, She, Te, U, O, Vi, Wi, Ye, Ze. So this is the alphabet. We are going to go through it once more together. Let's go. A, B, C, D, F, G, B, Re, Wi, Hi, I, E, Je, Ke, Be, Kwe, Li, Me, Ne, Nye, Nwe, Nye, O, Pe, Re, She, Te, U, O, Vi, Wi, Ye, Ze. In this, you are going to find out that we have some letters that appear twice. They appear twice doesn't mean that they are the same. They look the same but pronounced differently. A letter like I in English, you may pronounce I as I, but in Igbo language it is pronounced as I. We have I and we have E. I is differentiated by having dot at the bottom of A. That's the difference. When we move ahead and go into pronunciation of words, you will be able to know how they are pronounced in the words and correctly. We have letter like O twice. It is not actually O twice. We have O and then we have O. The O has a dot under it, which differentiated it from the pronunciation of O. You will as well see U and the O. While the O has dot under it, U is standing alone. These are the few differences in the words you have seen that appeared twice. We also have some words which appeared like in English you will say diphthong, but they are standing alone, but double letters. Those double letters are pronounced as one letter in Igbo language. That is why in Igbo language we have 36 letters instead of, as against the English, where we have 26 letters. So in Igbo language, we have 36 letters of the alphabet, which we called Abidi Igbo. This is all for now. We are going to bring to you another segment. Thank you.